This is Unit 2, Number 6. Lisa wants to make a long-distance telephone call to her friend. She does not want to spend more than $5 on the telephone call. If there is a 50-cent connection fee and a charge of 11 cents per minute, which best represents the number of minutes that Lisa can talk to her friend? The first thing that we're going to do is highlight or underline the important information. So that first sentence wasn't really important. We do know that she does not want to spend more than $5 on her call. There's going to be a 50-cent connection fee and a charge of 11 cents per minute. And we're looking for the number of minutes she can talk to her friend. Okay, so again, not that much was important in that whole paragraph. Now we're going to write an inequality to match the situation. Why do I know it's an inequality? Because I can look at the graphs and see that we're looking at a range of values. My other hint is that we have does not want to spend more than $5. So if she does not want to spend more than $5, she could spend her entire $5 bill. So she could equal the $5. But we also could spend less than that $5 on her phone call. So she could spend less than or equal to this $5. Now she also has a 50-cent connection fee. You have to pay this connection fee. You have to pay this fee whenever you make this phone call. Doesn't matter how long it is. And so plus a charge of 11 cents per minute. And since I don't know how many minutes I'm talking, I'm just going to write a variable or a letter M. Okay, now I have my inequality. I can go ahead and solve the inequality to see where my values would work. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to move things away from the M. So I'm going to subtract 50 cents from both sides. Subtract that connection fee. I get 11.11 M is less than or equal to 450. These two, since they have no symbol between them, are connected by multiplying. So I will divide both sides by 0.11. Plug that in my calculator. I'm going to get a really ugly number. I'm going to go ahead and write 40.91. I'm going to round to 2 decimals. So what this is saying here is that Lisa can talk for less than or equal to 40.91 minutes. So if I'm looking at my answer choices, yes, she could talk 10 minutes, but she can also talk 20 minutes and 30 minutes and 40 minutes because my inequality says that. So letter A doesn't include all the values that she could talk. This one looks pretty good. It goes from 0 to 40. Let's make sure it's the best. Right here, this one stops at 45. We know that she can't talk for 45 minutes. It's got to be less than 40.91. Okay, now if she can't talk for 45 minutes, surely she can't talk for 50 minutes. So our answer is B. The reason that we stop here at 0 is because you can't talk for negative minutes, but all the graphs had that, so that wasn't too bad. Okay, again, write your inequality, then see which one will match your answer choices.